Let's draw a narwhal.
Artsy with Mariah.
Welcome to Artsy with Mariah, where we turn a blank piece of paper into a colorful masterpiece. All you're gonna need for today's video is a piece of paper and something to draw with. Let's jump into our drawing adventure. I am so excited to be drawing with you guys today, but first I wanna thank Isla for submitting this drawing idea. To start off our drawing, we're gonna start in the center of our paper by drawing a shape that is going to be the narwhal's body. It's going to look like this. It's almost like a circle, but it's not a perfect circle. Next, we're gonna draw the fins for our narwhal, and they're gonna come off this back side right here. So you're gonna draw one line that curves up, and you're gonna draw another line that curves down. This is going to create the base of our narwhal's tail, kind of like this. And to complete the tail, we're gonna connect the top of each side down in the middle to each other. You can watch me do it. And now I'll give you guys a chance to connect the tips of your fins right to each other in the middle. You guys are doing a great job. If I'm ever going too fast, please feel free to pause the video or replay it. First, we're gonna come up to our face and draw the eye. The eye is a circle, and we're gonna fill it in just like this. Now we're gonna draw a smile on our narwhal, because I always love adding smiles to my drawings. So we're gonna draw a curve for the lips, and then I like adding at the end of each curve two little lines that add little dimples to the smile like this. You know, kind of like my dimples. And since our narwhal is looking off to the side, we don't even see the other eye. So we're gonna draw our horn, which is going to be a big triangle. So, and a triangle comes to a point like this. So we're gonna draw our line that goes up and our line that goes down. And I'll give you guys a chance to add that in. Whenever I draw a horn, whether it's on a narwhal or a unicorn, I like to add lines that go down the center of the horn. This makes it look like the horn is wrapping around. And then we'll be able to decorate that later with different colors, which will be very cool. Now let's add the fins on our narwhal. Just simple little curves. So they're gonna go like this. Here's our first fin. And our next fin is gonna be on the other side of the body. So we're just gonna draw it right on the bottom. So it's just kind of peeking through, so you can just see it a little bit like this. Now let's add a line to show the belly of our narwhal. I'm gonna add it on the bottom. I think our narwhal should have some spots on its back. So let's start adding some circles at the top of our narwhal. You can add as many circles as you want. I think I'll do some here, and over here. Just kind of adding in wherever I think some spots would be nice on our narwhal. And I forgot to say, you could add eyelashes to your narwhal if you want. I added eyelashes to mine, which makes the narwhal look a little girlier. If you want your narwhal to be a boy narwhal, you could skip the eyelashes and just leave the circle just the way it is. And now for my favorite part of the drawing, coloring in the lines. But first, I want to share with you guys the word of the day. Today's word is generosity, which means giving freely and willingly without expecting anything in return. There are so many ways that you can be generous. You can be generous by sharing a snack with a friend, or letting them go down the slide before you when you're at the playground together. Try to think of a way that you can be generous today. And now let's color in our narwhal. Today, I want my narwhal to be light blue. So I'm gonna start by coloring in all along the border of my narwhal. And this helps me create a border so that when I start filling in really big, it's a little easier for me to stay inside the lines. But like you guys know, it is okay if you go outside the lines. However you want to color in your picture is totally up to you. Now we're gonna do the spots on our narwhal. I want my spots to be dark blue, so I'm gonna add those in while you guys color in your dots as well. You guys are doing great. Now it's time for us to color in the horn on our narwhal. I think it would be fun if each stripe was a different color, so it almost looks like a rainbow horn, but you could pick any colors that you want. So let's start filling in the horn. I love coloring with you guys. This has just been so much fun today. And there you have it, you guys. You did such a great job drawing your narwhal. Today's featured artist is Sparrow. Didn't she do such an amazing job drawing Bluey? She really nailed all the details. If you want to be our next featured artist, ask an adult to go to artsywithmariah.com. Remember, the sky is the limit when it comes to your imagination. So keep drawing and keep dreaming. I'll see you guys on our next drawing adventure.